Well, today we're going to have a couple firsts here on MOJO TV. The first being that I'm going to cook meatloaf. The second first is I'm going to eat meatloaf. So for those who requested this, here you go. Let's start out by putting on the proper PPE. This could get messy. Get you a bowl, preferably bigger than this one, and add in 2 pounds of ground beef. I think this is 73.27. Anything with less fat than that, you might as well just buy tofu. We got to season that up. I just happen to have some of this good old beef seasoning laying around. We're going to put in about 2 tablespoons. You could use salt and pepper or someone else's. And we're going to grab us a cup of diced up baby bella mushrooms and half a cup diced up spicy pickles, because it's not a party until the pickles show up. And here we have 4 ounces of French fried onions. Alrighty, for the binder stuff, we're going to add in about 6 ounces panko breadcrumbs. Now for the wet ingredients, here's 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce and 2 lightly beaten eggs. Got here, let's add in 8 ounces or 1 block of freshly grated pepper jack cheese. Get in there elbow deep, mix her up till she looks something like this. Then it's time to form her. They say don't overwork it, so we'll speed it up so it don't overwork it. And here you have the perfect patty loaf. Beautiful. And here's a patty loaf wrapped in a blanket of awesomeness. There you have it. Hit it with a little bit more of the beef seasoning of your choice, and time to cook it. Now, best way would be probably put on the pellet grill at 350 degrees about an hour and a half until it reaches an internal of 160 degrees. Or you could go inside, find yourself running down the rabbit hole we call YouTube, and cook it for 2 hours to an internal of 180 degrees. Don't ask me how I know that. But failure's not an option here, folks. We're going to keep on rolling. So what I'm going to do, we're going to first show you if this bacon is nice and crispy. We're going to make her a barbecue meatloaf. That's going to be adding one of your favorite barbecue sauces. Mine just happens to be man meat at the time. Rub her in, put her back out on the grill for about 5 minutes until she looks like this. Mighty fine looking patty loaf, I say. We're going to let her hang out for about 5-10 minutes to cool down. And we're going to saw her. Here she blows. We got to have that reveal shot. And it's coming here just a minute. That's what it looks like. Now, I'd like to say that this is what meatloaf looks like. But really, honestly, I don't know. I've never really tried it. Because it always looks like it's just drowned in ketchup. That just don't look appetizing to me. Let's get a piece here and try it. This is a monumental moment here on the channel, here in the world for me. And let's taste it. Let me tell you what. This meatloaf here, I don't know if it's actually meatloaf in y'all's opinion. This is pretty dang good. And seeing that I took it almost to the temperature of molten lava, it is not dry. It's got moisture. Man, it's got a depth of flavor. It's like, this is good. I mean, it's so daggum good, I'm giving myself a round of applause. Alrighty, that's it. I hope y'all like this recipe. And I promise you, it is good. If you don't believe it, just ask my mom-in-law. She'll let you know. Alrighty, that's it. And I'll see you next year. Mojo's out.